Alright guys, it's me. We have an unboxing today, as you could tell. It's the Game & Watch Super Mario Bros. I've never owned one of these because I'm a youngin', but it comes with Super Mario Bros, Super Mario Bros Lost Level, Ball, which I believe is the classic Game & Watch game, and a clock. Oops, that could have been bad. I don't know too much about this device because I don't want to say I wasn't interested in it, but I wasn't planning on buying it. I just got it at a good price. So pull it off. The sleeve has artwork, which is kind of cool. And then this is the actual box itself, which has a real nice retro vibe to it. I'll just slide this out. Maybe. There we go. Oh, it has some little artwork on there. It says, "Special thanks to you." And then it has the little Mario and Game Guy. Is that his name? Is his name just Game Guy? I know they called it Game & Watch because it doubled as a console and a clock, which makes sense, but like, I don't know if dude has a name or not, so we're gonna call him Mr. Game. In here we've got how to turn it on, how to charge it, blah blah blah. Bunch of safety bullshit. Basically, just don't shove it up your ass. We don't need that. Ooh, this is nice. It's just the charging cable, but it's USB-C. I fucking love USB-C. For anyone that knows me, USB-C is the future. Okay? Like, 100% everything Apple, including you need to go USB-C. Because all these other proprietary or micro USB bullshits are stupid. So now, for the actual console itself. Ooh, I don't want to hurt it. Oh, it's so small. Ooh. Oh, it feels good. It feels real light. I'm assuming that this is a speaker. We've got the USB-C adapter right here, so it'll just plug in like that. Power button. I'm assuming you push this for the different games, this for the time, this to pause and set. Ooh! Press the time button. Okay. Time? Set time. Okay. Ooh. So these buttons have a rubberized, like they're rubber buttons, but then the D-pad is solid, which is kind of surprising. I thought it would all just kind of be solid like the Switch. It is currently 144. Can I go? Does it round robin? Yes. I don't know how well you can see that. 144. Okay. Alright, so that's the time feature. You can click the time button and set it on different levels. And then if you hit pause and set, you can adjust the volume, which that is really annoying. I believe that's the seconds ticker. And you can adjust the brightness, which actually gets pretty dim and pretty bright. You could probably play it in the daylight. Oh yeah, and it also shows the battery up here. As you can see, I'm at about half. So we'll go back, we'll hit game. And then, like I said, it has the 3 games: Super Mario Bros, Super Mario Bros Lost Level, and then the classic Ball game, which, like I said, I believe is the original Game & Watch game. So we'll go with Super Mario Bros and just see how it plays. I'm assuming it is just a ROM port or something. Okay. Sorry for my horrible Mario skills, it's been a while. Alright, so right off the bat, I am going to say it's nice. I mean, obviously, it's very small and compact. The D-pad does feel a little too close, too small, I guess. Definitely feels a little crammed, but I mean, I get it. That's kind of how the original one was going for. They wanted that original look and feel and everything. There really isn't any sort of input lag, which is good. No, I'm happy with the purchase, honestly. I would suggest getting it. Maybe if you're a collector, I think it would be a good console, or like if your kid really likes Mario or something. I don't necessarily know or think that it's worth the $50 though. If you can find it used or on sale, then maybe I'd say considering picking it up. But I'm not necessarily disappointed with the purchase either, if that makes sense. It's just definitely specifically towards a certain demographic, and I feel like the box is really not the main focus, but like it definitely kind of is. I don't know, it's just got that like classic look and feel. I mean, obviously so does the console, but I don't know. It's, like I said, it's fun. It maybe would be nice on like a bus or a train for like a kid instead of buying them a Switch, but at the same time, if you have a Switch, you have access to this game. You've got access to, I think you have access to the Lost Levels. I don't know if you have access to Ball or not though, which I'm currently playing and I've actually never played before. So yeah, this is literally all you do is just toss the balls left and right, don't drop them. And it does have a retro feel to it, which I do enjoy and I do appreciate, but like I said, it's definitely for a certain demographic. But shit. Yeah, I think that's it for this review. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.